going?
Go fishing.
Going fishing. Well, first stop at Marama. Left Christchurch this morning about 9 o'clock, 9:30. And we're off to Doubtful Sound. Push through to Queenstown tonight, spend the night there, and then we on. Oh well, we've made it to Queenstown to our Airbnb. We'll spend the night here and then carry on tomorrow morning. Just unloaded the boat, gonna head into town and go to a bit of a grocery shop for our trip. So hopefully catching heaps of fish and just eating that, but yeah, go get some other meat. Oh, nice big hot tub. That's us, that's me. Shot, Queenstown. Alright, gonna go show me your bunk bed. There, darling.
Bunk bed, Daddy?
Where's your room?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, what is it? Is it a bunk bed?
A bunk bed.
Yeah.
I like anything.
Jump up. Got a wee telly to watch some Paw Patrol or something. Cool. Yeah. Say later, Bolt.
Lego. Daddy.
Hold up, buddy. All goods. Get the dogs.
Got him going in a mood. She couldn't really understand it, but now I know how he demands it, taking hold of everything.
Made it to Lake Manapuri. Just dropped the boat in the water, parked the bloody car and trailer up. So yeah, we've got about a 50 minute boat ride over the lake to West Arms. And we've got a guy, Gary, meeting us over there with his truck and trailer. He'll pick the boat up and take us over the hill to Doubtful.
To be your man with the diamond ring, don't know if she can even handle his love. Bear in mind the things that he gave her, caught inside a jail with the curfew, and I know he took it away.
Got picked up over in West Arm and go over the hill now, up and over into Doubtful. Quite a nice wee spot this. Some days are really good and other days are just... Blow away. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, there's your one for the day. Oh well, it's dinner.
Jesus.
Wait, hold on. What do you reckon, Bodie?
Stand there.
Yeah, it's just another cod.
Day 1 down. How good.
The tree. Cheese.
Cheese.
Well, I can feel her attitude. See, it's got him going in the mood. She can barely
One.
see.
One. Keep winding. Good boy. Keep winding.
Fishies.
Wind.
Papa fishies.
Keep winding. Oh, got a bust up. Oh, what do we got?
Oh.
Yeah, taking hold of everything to be your man with the diamond ring. Ooh, you took it away. Bear in mind the things that he gave her. Caught inside a jail with the curfew, and I know he took it away. Yes, I know. I know he took it away. See, now I can make a change in an hour. I know your plans gone sour. You know, I know that he can take control and devour. But you gotta take the reins with power. 'Cause I know, yeah, I know he'll take you away.
There we go. That's our bloody few days fishing done. Loading up down at Deep Cove again and head back over.
And waffle.
Oh well, that's us back at Lake Menapiri on the other side. Fucking been a wicked couple of days. Absolutely stunning over there. Magical, you could say. But yeah, it's us loaded up and done. Boat's a mess. Yeah. Shit everywhere. But nah, whole family had a blast.